Hello students, today we'll do the feeding methods of animals. Now, one of the feeding method is this chewing of cud. Now, especially the herbivore animals such as cow, horse, buffalo, all of them they chew their cud. So what happens in that case is that they first eat the grass or leaves, whatever is their fodder, they eat it, chew it, and then they immediately swallow it. Then after some time they sit leisurely and bring that food from their gut back into their mouth and then start chewing it again, and they take a number of hours in doing this. So this process is known as chewing of cud, and this is generally seen in herbivore animals. Now next is gnawing the food. Now this type of eating habit, it is generally found in animals such as squirrels, rabbits and rats. They have long sharp front teeth in their upper and lower jaw, and these teeth they help these animals to gnaw or to eat the seeds, fruits, grains or nuts which are their food. Next method of eating is tearing the flesh. Now this method is generally seen in carnivore animals like we all know lion, tiger, wolf, etc. They have pointed, sharp, long and curved front teeth which helps them to tear the flesh of the animal which they are eating. And then they later on chew the flesh along with the bones with the help of their broad and flat grinding teeth which are at the back of their mouth. And this all is done so easily. Why? Because they have very strong jaws which can actually handle all this with great strength. Next is sucking of food. Now this type of method of feeding is generally found in insects like butterflies, mosquitoes, honeybees, etc. Now in case of butterflies, they have a long thin tube attached to their mouth and they suck the nectar into their mouth from the flowers using this tube. But in case of mosquitoes and honeybees, they have a sharp pointed mouth part with which they suck the blood of the animal and the humans. Now next method is swallowing of food, and this is generally seen in animals like snakes, lizards, frog, etc. because they do not have teeth to chew their food. So they swallow the food as such. Now in case of snake, it will swallow its whole food like that only. But in case of frogs and lizards, they have a long sticky tongue, and whenever they see their prey, which could be an insect or a worm, anything, it just shoots out its tongue and then that prey of its sticks to the tongue and the tongue roll backs into the mouth, because of which they then swallow their prey. Now next method is lapping of water or milk. This we all know, we generally see in dogs and cats, and they lap with the help of their tongue water or milk, whatever they see. So this is another method. And one last method is, which is generally seen differently in elephants. Like elephants have a huge long trunk, and with the help of this trunk they are able to tear apart the branches and leaves from the trees, and they are also able to drink water with the help of it. Whereas in leeches, they have another method that they stick to the body of the animal or the humans to suck the blood, and this happens with the help of their circular mouth parts with toothed jaws, and these jaws they help this leech to stick to the skin of its prey, and then it can easily suck the blood of its prey. Thank you.